today I have got you to a project which is one of the tallest tower of Bangur Nagar, which has amenities which is spread across 1,25,000 square feet and is also well connected. Yes, I'm talking about Narang Valora by Narang, located in Goregaon West. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the sales office, and to my right there is the actual land parcel. You may also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. This road right here leads you to the link road, and then have a look at the surrounding. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following points, which includes project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, pre-launch discounts, offers and many more. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads to many calls. But now you don't have to worry, because Housey is here where we connect you directly with the builders. So buy your dream home directly with the builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.78 acres with single towers. So basically it has two towers, but one tower is dedicated for the tenants. Stories of this project has ground plus 42 story of tower. And talking about the configuration, so this project has 3 configuration, 3, 4 and 5 BHK with duplex option available. Talking about the connectivity, this project is located in Bangur Nagar, Goregaon West, with Bangur Nagar metro station at a distance of just 5 minutes, GMLR at a distance of just 5 minutes, Coastal Road again at a distance of just 5 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities, which includes an infinity swimming pool, a dedicated clubhouse, business center, gym, kids play area and many more. Are you also planning to buy a home in Mumbai? Then I have got a strong recommendation for you. Housey ki Rights of Home Buyer series zarur dekhe. A lot of buyers do not know what their actual rights are. For example, if you have given a token amount to a builder and booked a house, but now you want to cancel it. So how much amount can the builder legally deduct? Also, let's say possession के बाद कोई भी construction related issue आता है या leakage issue आता है. So what liability does the builder hold? All this information we have explained in very basic and easy to understand language in this series. So next time when you plan to buy a home, go through this series. ये series का link आपको नीचे description box और ऊपर I button में मिल जाएगा. Talking about carpet area, this project has 3 configuration, 3, 4 and 5 with 3 BHK ranging from 1358 square feet to 1411 square feet, and 4 BHK having carpet area of 2109 square feet and 5 BHK having carpet area of 2737 square feet, and duplex having carpet area of 4218 square feet to 5644 square feet. Talking about the booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site, where our sales team will help you with the complete project details, will also help you with the actual flat and the sample flat, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and then if clients like the project, they can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for all the configuration is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Narang Valora by Narang, located in Goregaon. To get more information about this very amazing property, download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, also check the icon button. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.